Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to replace our climate control knobs on our 4Runner. So come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, we're going to replace our climate control knobs on our 4Runner. And this one are from AJT Designs. So thank you, AJT Design, for sending this. I love them. Build quality, I really like them. So they feel like OEM. So for this one, these are the rugged design. These are matte finish, and I have a 2022 TRD Sport, and yeah, I'm excited on replacing my knobs into this one. Yeah, so the design on our knobs are dated, so hopefully this will help basically make it look a little updated. All right, so these are actually been out in the market. AJT Designs has been on business for a long time. I've used some AJT Designs products before, like my key fob on my RAV4. I have that. I also did the ring on the push button start. I replaced that with my AJT Design product. So yeah, so for this one, I'm gonna talk about this one. So for these are made from high strength and impact resistant ABS plastic, and these are actually injection molded so that they can have a precise fit, okay, and sturdy build. Very good quality. They include a set of screws. We're gonna screw this in here, so it's very easy. These are customizable, so if you want to order some different colors of screws, you can do so when you order it. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to purchase this. All right, so again, these are for the climate control on the 5th gen 4Runner, except the limited. So the limited, they have a different knobs on them. They don't have this middle one. So yeah, so just want to let you know. So let's proceed with the install. All right, so all we have to do is install the screws, and then we're gonna proceed on going to the vehicle. All right. All right, so as I do it here, when it starts to get tightened, I just let go of the tool so that I won't break the plastic. So there you go. Everything's complete here. Now let's go into the vehicle. I'll show you how to remove the factory knobs. All right. All right. So now we're inside of the vehicle. So with this one, it should be very easy to replace. So we just need to pull this out, and be careful when pulling this out. You don't want the orange indicator to fly out of the knob, because we're gonna reuse that. So let me just pull it. There you go. And there's the orange indicator. We need to put it on the AJT Design one. So all we need to do is slide it in. Okay, there you go. And now just need to put it back, and it should snap back in. So let's see. There you go. So as you heard, it snaps in place, and we have the AJT Design knob. Nice. All right, so let's work on the rest. Let me just put you back there. So let's pull this out. Same thing. Let's transfer the orange indicator to the AJT design. There you go. And snap it in place. There you go. Yeah, it's all the way in already. So yeah, I like this. I'm okay with this being silver. Okay, it just blends in. One thing though that I'm gonna do, I've used some covers before on these trim panels in here, but I removed them. What I'm gonna do is I'll remove this and I'm gonna paint them black. Okay, so instead of using covers, because I'm using an aftermarket head unit and I want it to match the gloss black on the trim panel. So I'm okay with this being matte, and I'm okay with the silver in there so that it will have some blending with the trim in here on the radio. All right, so now we're gonna pull this one. So this one, I believe it's being held by this middle part, so we're still gonna pull it. There you go. And we're gonna keep the orange indicator and the middle part. And now we're going to put this. Again, this is very easy to do. There you go. It's in place. Now the AC. So we're gonna put that last. There you go. And now going to put the AC button. There you go. It works. Yeah, I like it. All right, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, these are from AJT Designs. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.